Hello everyone. Today I have to talk about this specific conflict, and I felt and feel really interest about this important topic because it's pretty interesting how different countries suffer the same things like Colombia, and how we can create connection between those countries and our country. And something special, which is that we don't know many things about different countries that are pretty similar from us. My conflict is the conflict in the Republic of Congo by Jonathan Grigio and Mateo Espinosa. The Republic Democratic of Congo is sitting in the southeast part of the African country. Um, um, this beautiful country has many benefits, and it has most um, the beautiful jungle in the world. The biodiversity is really important for this country, and one of the most important characteristics of Republic Democratic of Congo. First of all, the nature. Second of all, the animals, and third one, the minerals that Republic Democratic of Congo has. Um, Good resources, conflict, corruption, and poor people. Conflict is because not just because they have a biodiversity in terms of nature, but also because they have biodiversity in terms of ethnic groups. So these important aspects in terms of this beautiful country had has been a mix in order to create many different conflicts and wars. Corruption, because if we see this conflict since the beginning, we can evidence the importance of different kind of presidents who command and direct this country, like Mobutu and Laurent Kabila. Poor people, we can say that more than poor people are the victims from this important conflict. The victims because they don't have um, the obligation to suffer these things, and they don't know why these things happen. They only have to follow things and suffer the consequences. Influences by USA and United Kingdom. These two countries are really important, and all the story around the world, because the left one is a kind of empire nowadays, and the country in the right side is and was an empire over the time. So these two countries want the power of the resources in all the countries around the world, not only in Latin America, but also in some countries in Africa and in Asia. So I wanted to highlight these two countries in order to show the importance of these two. Republic Democratic of Congo. We have that is the green one. It has neighbors like Zambia, Tanzania, and Rwanda. These three countries are really important for the story of Republic Democratic of Congo. The important moments from this country, the first one was in 1996 by the President Mobutu, who was not really good president and has a strong relation with this conflict because of his corruption and those things. He started to support and different ethnic groups of the so they started to promote corrupt things and those things against to the Tutsis, and support the Hutus group. So they go against Mobutu, and they started to fight between each other, and the extremist Hutu started to wipe out every single Tutsi that comes in their path. So it was a really important work by that moment in 1996. There are more than 300 people died at that moment. They reduced like in a 70% of the Tutsi population. The second conflict was because Laurent Kabila, one of the leaders and revolutionaries, part of the Rwanda country, go inside of the Republic Democratic of Congo, and he topped the government of Mobutu. So he take the position and create other work in which neighbor countries support and were really important because they create a war. All the African countries say that was the Second World War of Africa. So it creates many things, and in that moment started to emerge different kind of revolutionary parties and armies from that moment. The third conflict is the current problem. Nowadays we can evidence that many different revolutionary groups, paramilitary groups, and also the army don't respect the civil and human rights of people. So they are using and supporting the war with the resources that are in the Republic Democratic of Congo, like animals, like gorillas, minerals like coltan, and many different things like gold, all those things that are really important for the country, and they are destroy the country and also destroy the people inside of the country. The last one thing that I have to add, not just in like the question that I have here, the role between Tutsis and Hutus, because they have been important over the time, because they are the most important participants in the three conflicts, but also how they are conducting or keep this war. Yeah. So I can say that it's not a thing of how they can war between each other. It's a thing that and I know because we are suffering the same thing in Colombia, and we have to think about others. This is the thing that I have to say about this. Not because we want to know more about the fight or the war between them. It's because how we can create a solution for this conflict. Thank you so much, and bye.